How to activate AppleCare Plus. Now, activating AppleCare Plus is just around the corner from your physical phone. Now, if you have purchased the phone before 60 days and you haven't activated it yet, then you can definitely activate it without any problems. Just head directly to your phone settings and head over to General, and by there you should be able to see that activation option. If you haven't activated it yet, just head directly to your phone settings, go to General, and copy the serial number from your phone. This is going to be checking out your device's coverage if your current phone has still some cover with Apple Care Plus. Now copy out your phone's serial number and you'll just have to input it here. And of course, this is actually the checkcoverage.apple.com's official website. This is all here. Now, once your phone has coverage, then you can definitely activate it without any problems. But if it is already past the 60 days period from the day that you purchased the phone, then just head over to support.apple.com and choose on this option that says Contact Apple Support. And that's it. That's how you activate Apple Care Plus.